So YouTube, once you got monetized, you can then get put your videos up on YouTube regular. Post, if you can do every day, post every day, or do it twice or 3 times a week. You don't, or even once a week. That's how some people do it, but it depends how and what it is that you're talking about as well. So this really does help with your creating the AI will help you to create high RPM videos. So that is per 1,000 views, for example, and then you get an amount. So it could be £11 or $11.50 per 1,000 views, for example, which is what they call RPM, for example. And don't ask me what that fully means in total, because I'm not quite sure. I know it's to do with mil or something, but I'm not an expert. Like I said, I'm just starting out. So there's also affiliate marketing as well, where you can promote AI tools or even promote other products and earn a commission, for example. Digital products and courses is really good to sell on YouTube as well, and then they can get the link in the description of where to go to purchase to your website, for example. It could be a funnel of some sort, or it could be, join this group, for example. There's also for YouTube automation channels, build a faceless YouTube channel. Now, this is what I'm saying. I'm going to be creating multiple YouTube channels, for example, and I'm going to build a faceless channel, and I'm going to record it because I've never done one from scratch where I've recorded it, for example. So what is it that you're waiting for? Are you looking at creating your YouTube channel for your business, for example? Because let me tell you something, that I have been able to get appointments, for example, from YouTube by building a YouTube channel. It really does work. And when I say this is what I've been doing since 2013. I didn't even know about YouTube monetization, because I don't think it was around when I first started anyway. But I didn't realize that you could actually get paid for the adverts that go onto your YouTube channel. And so really is a win-win situation. But the thing is, though, you can advertise your business on YouTube, talk about your products and services, what you do, for example, and then you will get appointments, for example, and that's how you get leads and sales in for your business. Like I said, I get, about 15 to 20 leads a week, for example, and that's me not really pushing very hard. I could do a lot stronger if I use stronger keywords, etc. But this is me just enjoying doing it this way, so that I'm getting quality leads, for example. Now, put in the comments if you're interested in starting, promoting your business through YouTube, because I would love to help you. I would love for you to listen to the trainings that we're going to be doing regarding that, because it does work. Believe me, I've been doing it since 2013. And it even today, it still works. So do think about this if you haven't done so. But I'd love to hear your comments in the chat, as well as in the YouTube comment section of this video, for example. Let me know whether you found this helpful today. And also, if you haven't done so already, if you found this useful, then please do like and subscribe as well. And what I'd love to say to you is thank you for all of you that have been subscribing to the channel as well as liking the videos as well. I really do appreciate your time. Look, I've created like, how many videos have I done now? 3,600 I think I'm coming up to now, videos wise. There's some videos that are private, some videos that are public, for example, like this training today, for example. And I would love for you to, hit the notification bell so that when I go live or when I upload a video, you can see what it is that I've got to say if it's something that you want to learn, for example. But YouTube definitely does work. It's great for business promotion. And I think that we're not using it enough. I think people aren't thinking that YouTube can be for that. And it can. It will get you calls, for example, for what you do. And you can even be really localized. So if you're in a local area, wow, that's even stronger. If you're a local business, that's even stronger again, because you'll get leads in your local area. And you can target your local area just by putting the hashtag and the area of where you're providing the service. So if you're a plumber, if you're an engineer, for example, if you're what type of business, accountant, for example, you just put the location and use hashtags, for example. So I really do hope that you'll be able to use this YouTube for your business, for example, because it definitely has worked for me and I'd highly recommend it. So let me know in the comments if you are already using YouTube for your business, or if not, if it's something that you're thinking of doing, whether you're doing a digital product, whether you're selling items, whether you're doing a business, YouTube really is the platform to be. You're getting free advertisement for your business, free promotion for your business. People have spent thousands on ads, haven't they? Either in a newspaper or, on Facebook, you're spending lots of money for an ad, for example. Whereas YouTube, it's not costing you anything. And you get paid at the same time if you've got adverts on your YouTube channel, but you have to be monetized and you have to have reached the 4,000 watched hours as well as the 1,000 subscribers, for example. So if you've got that, then you're on a win-win situation. And even if you haven't, you can still get business in for your YouTube channel, which will then help you to get to the 4,000 watched hours as well as the 1,000 subscribers. So I hope that that was helpful for you today, because let me tell you, YouTube is the place to be. And YouTube, I do believe it is on easy mode for me because of my business that I'm doing. Now, the YouTube monetization and the views, I'm learning about that, and I'm getting stronger at that. I'm getting very, very strong at it, because like I said, when I set my mind to do something, I will achieve it, and I won't stop until I do achieve it. But with your business and YouTube, if you're not on YouTube with your business, then you're missing out big time on potential customers. So I hope that that was helpful for you this evening, and I wish you all a wonderful, wonderful evening, and stay blessed and have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Oh, I'm just going to play a song for you to listen to as well. And this song is sung, my niece is actually in this song with her church members as well. They're singing, and it's called The Life. And I'm going to leave you with this song, and I'm going to let you listen to it. Hopefully you'll be able to hear it.
I'm winning now, I can't lose. I'm living the life. I woke up this morning and I thank God for the day. I know things ain't what they could be, but I got a smile on my face. No more tears, no more fears. They won't get the best of me no more. I can stand still or I can move on, so I'm gonna move on. Tomorrow may not come, yesterday is gone, so I gotta live for today. Lost some things I should have won. Mistakes already done, but it's gonna be okay. I won't reach for the past, it will never come back. I'm doing it my way, no way. I ain't got nothing to cry about. I ain't got nothing to prove. I can't stop 'cause time is running out. I'm winning now, I can't lose. I can't lose. I'm winning now, I can't lose. No more fighting. My tears are dry. Yes, I've had success, but I've got more to achieve. The haters tryna block me, they're tryna stop me, but they don't have to believe. I'm still breathing, so I know my task is far from being complete. So it seems to be every possibility is definitely possible for me. Tomorrow may not come, yesterday is gone, so I gotta live for today. There's some things I should have won. Mistakes already done, but it's gonna be okay. I won't reach for the past, it will never come back. I'm doing it my way, no way. I ain't got nothing to cry about. I ain't got nothing to prove. I can't stop 'cause time is running out. I'm winning now, I can't lose. I can't lose. I'm winning now, I can't lose. No more fighting. My tears are dry. If you really see 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 I ain't got nothing to cry about. I ain't got nothing to prove. I can't stop 'cause time is running out. I'm winning now, I can't lose. I can't lose. I'm winning now, I can't lose. No more fighting. My tears are dry. I ain't got nothing to cry about. I ain't got nothing to prove. I can't stop 'cause time is running out. I'm winning now, I can't lose. I can't lose. I'm winning now, I can't lose. No more fighting. My tears are drying.
So I thought I'd play that song for you. That song was sung by my niece and her friends from the church choir in Atlanta, Georgia, in America, and it was quite some time ago, and it's a beautiful song, and I wanted to play that to you because it just uplifts my spirit, and they can sing. When you hear them sing, it is just amazing. So that song is called The Life. If anyone is interested in that, let me know. I'm going to put the link to her channel anyway. And if you're interested in that song, you can reach out to her as well. All right.